If our last video, the secret behind cheap rotisserie chicken, left you hungry for some, wait till you get your eyes on what we have in store for you here. A mouth-watering rotisserie chicken taco. Hey everyone, and welcome back. If my last video, the secret behind cheap rotisserie chicken, left you hungry for some, wait till you get your eyes on what we have in store for you here. A mouth-watering rotisserie chicken taco. Tonight, we're taking Taco Tuesday to a whole new level, and we're doing it with a secret weapon, the humble, yet glorious, rotisserie chicken. Forget slaving over a hot stove for hours. We're about to make the most spectacular, mouth-watering tacos in minutes. Now, before we dive into the deliciousness, if you love easy and flavorful recipes, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a video. We're going to be bringing you tons of quick, tasty, and budget-friendly meals. And you won't want to miss a single one. Now, why rotisserie chicken? Well, let's break it down. First, it's a huge time saver. You skip all the stress of cooking a whole chicken. No need to worry about the right temperature or whether it's cooked through. Second, it's packed with flavor. That crispy skin and juicy meat? Perfection. The rotisserie process creates a depth of flavor you just can't get any other way. And third, it's incredibly versatile. Tacos, today. But tomorrow? Think salads, sandwiches, soups. The possibilities are endless. We'll even give you some fun ideas later on. Alright, let's get to the fun part. The toppings. We're going to build a taco bar that's bursting with flavor. Think classic, salsa, guacamole, shredded cheese. But we're also going to throw in some twists. Pickled onions for that tangy bite, fresh cilantro for a pop of freshness, and maybe even some roasted corn for a sweet crunch. We are also going to add some crumbled cotija cheese for a salty, creamy texture. And for those who like a little heat, we'll have some sliced jalapenos on the side. The best part? You can customize your tacos to your heart's content. Experiment with different combinations to find your perfect blend. What are your favorite toppings? Let me know in the comments. Do you like it spicy, sweet, or savory? Let's get a conversation going. Now let's get to shredding this beauty. Look at that juicy meat. We'll shred it up nice and easy. And while we're at it, we'll add a little extra magic. A squeeze of fresh lime juice will brighten up the flavors, and a drizzle of your favorite hot sauce will add a kick. We're using a chipotle hot sauce today for a smoky, spicy flavor. And to really elevate our tacos, let's whip up a quick homemade salsa and guacamole. It's easier than you think. For the salsa, just chop up some tomatoes, onions, cilantro, and jalapenos. A little lime juice, salt and pepper, and you're good to go. For the guacamole, mash up some avocados, add diced onions, cilantro, jalapenos, lime juice, and a pinch of salt. You can even add a little tomato for extra flavor. Now, it's taco time. Look how fast these come together. This is the perfect weeknight meal. Delicious, easy, and ready in minutes. You can even get the kids involved in assembling their own tacos. And the best part? Leftovers. Don't let that delicious chicken go to waste. You can make a killer chicken salad for lunch tomorrow, or a hearty chicken soup for a cozy dinner. Get creative. Throw it in a quesadilla, make a chicken pot pie, or even use it as a pizza topping. You can also use it in a chicken and vegetable stir-fry, or even make some chicken enchiladas. So, there you have it. Rotisserie Chicken Taco Tuesdays. The secret to spectacular, easy meals. Remember, it's all about having fun in the kitchen and making it your own. If you loved this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious, easy recipes. And don't forget to share your rotisserie chicken creations with me in the comments. Happy Taco Tuesday!